vertical PQ is given. So the appropriate choice of trigonometric ratio will be either tan theta or cot theta. So you can see in triangle PQC, angle PCQ is 30 and PQ is 50. CQ is being mentioned as X. So we'll write in right triangle PQC, the base CQ is X and the perpendicular is PQ. So we have choice of either tan or cot. We'll take tan. Tan of the angle PCQ, tan of the angle PCQ will be equal to perpendicular PQ upon base CQ. Implies tan of 30 will be equal to 50 upon X. 50 upon X. CQ is X. 1 by root 3, tan 30 as you know is 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by X. So X will be equal to 50 root 3 meters. And then you can substitute the value of root 3 as 1.732 and you can multiply and calculate the value, which you can complete yourself. So this is the third illustration, which was related to angle of depression. The next illustration is this one. As you can see, the question says, as observed from the top of a lighthouse 100 meter above sea level, the angle of depression of a ship sailing directly towards it changes from 30 degrees to 45 degrees. Determine the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observation. Here the ship is changing the places. First point पे angle बना 30 और दूसरे point पे बना 45 after some time. Height of the lighthouse is being given as 100 meters. So let's draw the diagram. Let's represent this horizontal line for a lighthouse. This is the base, the sea, the surface of the water. Let's label it as AB as the lighthouse, which is 100 meters tall. Okay. And then we will position the two ships. The two positions of the ship is to be shown. Let's say the first position is this one. Let's say this is P, where the angle formed is 30. Since it's angle of depression, so the point A to B, the direction will be from A to P. Second position is Q, so it will be A to Q, the line of sight, okay, which will be 45 degrees. Angle AQB will be 45 degrees. Angle APB is 30 degrees. And obviously again it's a matter of angle of depression, so from A we have to create a horizontal line. Let's name this as X. Arrow pointing downwards. This is a 30-degree angle, and obviously this will be also 30 due to alternate interior angle. This big angle will be 45, so angle AQB will be also 45. So that is how the diagram is completed. Now comes the explanation of the diagram. We'll say suppose AB represents the lighthouse, that is whose height is 100 meters. P and Q are the two positions of the ships, or rather the ship. P and Q are the two positions of the ship. Okay. Such that angle XAP is equal to angle APB is equal to 30 degrees. And the second combination, angle XAQ is equal to angle AQB is equal to 45. कॉम्बिनेशन में लिखना है, जैसे कि मैंने बताया आपको, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल का पूरा पेयर लिख देते हैं whenever there is a question of angle of depression. Now we want to find out PQ. So you can see there are two right triangles, one is ABQ and the other one is ABP. So दोनों right triangles का perpendicular common है. In fact हमको दोनों के bases निकालने हैं. दोनों के bases का जो difference होगा that will be PQ. So we'll begin with, in right triangle ABQ tan 45, or you can say tan of the angle AQB is equal to AB upon BQ. Means tan of 45 is equal to 100 upon BQ. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to 100 upon BQ. So BQ will be equal to 100 meters. So that is the base length of the first right triangle. Now we proceed to the second right triangle, that is right triangle ABP. So in right triangle ABP, tan of the angle APB will be equal to AB upon BP. Implies tan of the angle 30 is equal to 100 upon PB. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 100 upon PB. Implies PB is equal to 100 root 3, cross multiplication, 100 root 3 meters will be obtained PB. But we want PQ. So distance PQ is equal to PB minus BQ. That will be equal to 100 root 3 minus 100. 100 common within bracket root 3 minus 1. And then you can substitute the value of root 3 as 1.732 minus 1. That will be 100 into 0.732. And then this will be 73.2 meters. Okay. So that is the final illustration.